Swish, swish, swish. I seen a few right there, right there. I seen a few splashes. I seen those splashes. Let's go. No, no, that's good. That's good. You never want to cast straight towards them. No, 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 no. You went the wrong way. One more wave, and he's up here. Yeah. Now with these fish, I like to throw them back. Yeah. That's how I am. I catch and release everything. Whoa, 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 calm down. Stay right there, you're good. What happened?